This is my first curly hair video on YouTube, so welcome all. So far, like Melon and I have posted videos on this page regarding more of our like vlogs and travel. So we get asked a lot of questions about our hair like all the time. So we decided that we're gonna like kind of make some videos for our YouTube too, kind of like going through and explaining stuff. We have some on our Instagrams, which are gonna be below in the description section. But we wanted to kind of start doing this as well so we can be more interactive and like talk you guys through the steps that we take and stuff like that. So to start off my first curly hair video, I just wanted to do the basic curly hair routine. Well, my specific curly hair routine. So I can like show you guys kind of like, you know, what products that I use to wash my hair with, the products that I'm using right now to actually style my hair for my wash and go days and stuff like that. So right now, this is like not usually my curly hair pattern, but I like put my hair in braids. Like last week I was like bored and I was like, let me just, you know, braid my hair. And then I don't have to worry about my hair all week. So it's a great, what's it called, protective style. But yeah, so that's why it's like kind of like crinkly, which I'm like not too much of a fan of this. Well, I thought I wasn't, but honestly, not too shabby. But anyway, back to the point. Today's my wash day, so I am going to wash my hair. Probably not gonna like walk through my actual wash process, but I will definitely show you guys what products I'm gonna use, and then I'm gonna walk through my process of like what I do after the shower. So let's get started. All right, so let's start off with the products I'm gonna wash my hair with. So I really like DevaCurl shampoo, the Low-Poo. You guys can see that clearly. Sorry. I love this shampoo because it doesn't really like lather as much, and I just feel like it really cleanses my hair, and I just like Low-Poo shampoos, so I feel like this works the best for me. And my handy dandy conditioner, of which I'm running out of, the Sense Organic Beauty Color Radiance Conditioner. So this isn't only for people who have color, but obviously like me, especially bleaching my hair for these blonde highlights, this really helps with just strengthening my hair and keeping it moisturized. Now they are a little pricey, but it is so worth it. Like I've had this bottle for like over a year and it's kind of like running out, and I'll have to like, you know, go get some more. But I really love this conditioner, and it also is great with detangling your hair. So like I'm one of those people that needs a great detangler, so this is definitely one of those. And Melon is actually the one who introduced me to this, so shout outs to her. But today I'm also going to be deep conditioning because I haven't deep conditioned, and I know we're supposed to do it every week, but I've been like busy this past week, so you know, we all have those weeks. So I'm going to be deep conditioning with this Hask one, and I always kind of try like different ones with Hask, but I love this argan oil brand, and it's just like really good. I like how it leaves my hair moisturized afterwards. And usually like these packets are like $2 or so, and they last for like 2 washes for me. So I always go and like get different packets and try them. But yeah, so I'm gonna go and wash my hair and I'll be back. Yeah, this is just my hair with no products. It doesn't stay as long as it is now. It was actually even a little longer when it was wet. I have like major shrinkage, but sadly I don't get the long hair, the curly hair. But yeah, so when I get out, I just usually just part my hair into 2. Like I don't try and like go in and like precision part because I don't really care. And I just like take one half of it, save it for later, And when I have time, I like to go through like layer by layer. So I like to do the bottom layer first, and I usually just separate it into 3 layers, as you will see. Oh my god, it's stuck. Oh no, hold on. There we go. And I just clip it at the top, my handy clipper. I find that it's easier to use a clipper than like to put this in your hair and have to redo it every 5 seconds. So this is the leave-in conditioner that I use right now. I really like it. It smells good. Manon is actually the one who told me about this one. I feel like it keeps my hair moisturized, and I also usually leave a little bit of that Intense Organic conditioner in my hair. I don't rinse it out completely, so that also helps. So I just go in to all the 3 layers on both sides with my leave-in conditioner first. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. And since my hair is already dry, I have my handy dandy water bottle to just do a few spritz, and that'll bring it back to life. So let's get started. Just use about like 2 scoops, about this much. So I usually at like this part of my hair, I have to put like a little extra product because it's like the first part of my hair that gets frizzy. So always like to just be extra careful. And you can already see like all of the curl definition without even putting in my gel yet. So since this side has gotten the leave-in conditioner, I'm just gonna like twist it a little bit and put my clip on. And that's also another reason why I like working with a clip, is because I feel like whenever I put in like a hair tie into my wet hair, I just feel like it like crunches it and like makes it just look weird, and I feel like I have to put more product on it after, so I just like to keep it to the clip. See what I mean? Like these front parts are just not the move. You can see closer look. They need some extra love. Now I go through and I use my new favorite gel, Design Essentials Coconut Defining Curl Jelly. You guys can't really see the name. So actually, when I moved out to DC, I had to find a new stylist, and the woman who colored my hair recommended that I try their gel line, Design Essentials. Now I've used their honey custard, which I loved, but she told me about this, and I was like kind of skeptical at first because it looks like a kind of like an eco styler type of gel, but it's not like that at all. It's so light, and it just like, it doesn't have any real scent, which I like because I'm using the pomegranate leave-in, so it's like obviously there's already a scent with that, and it really sucks when you mix scents up. And I have no problem with flaking. Like my hair doesn't get hard. Like I've used great gels in the past, but one thing that I hate is when your hair is hard on that first day. I mean, of course, like after that it'll be fine, but still, like I just like used to hate that and flakage, but there's nothing like that with these, and I feel like it's not taking out any moisture out of my hair either. So I really love this gel. You can see that it's really great for defining your curls too. Look at that. Sometimes I like to twist my curls, but that's really great. Defining them. Yep. And this is how my hair looks after I put in all my products. And I used to use like 3 products, I think, for my wash and goes, but I've narrowed it down to these 2, and I'm pretty happy with their results so far. So I usually let my hair air dry. If I do use a diffuser, I'll wait maybe like 20 minutes after it's air dried and then diffuse. I don't know why, but I feel like I just probably don't know yet the proper way to diffuse my hair, like from exactly when it's from this state. So for me, I have to wait for it to like dry a little bit and then I'll get good results. But I'm gonna let this dry and show you guys how it looks once it's fully dry. So yeah, these are the results, guys, a couple hours later, and it's about like 90% dry. I didn't use a diffuser this time. I was working on some stuff and I just like didn't want to even try. But yeah, it gets pretty big. Might get a little bigger than this even by tomorrow. But yeah, it's not crunchy, it's soft. The curls are still well defined even when it is dry. So I like the products that I used, but thanks for watching, guys. And if there's anything that y'all want to see when it comes to our curly hair, like any styles that you guys want us to take videos of, or any products that y'all want us to try out and review, let us know. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all the support, and more to come as always. Peace out, guys.